Dear student, now we see question number 5. See, y-axis and line x equal to -4 are parallel lines. Hence, what is the distance between them? Now there is some print mistake in textbook. Instead of x-axis, you want to write y-axis. Okay. In the textbook, the question is somewhat wrong. You want to write here y-axis. Okay. Now see, there is not necessary of graph, but we can be see with the help of graph. These are the y-axis, parallel line to y-axis, either on the left side or on the right side of y-axis. Now the equation is x equal to -4, means line is passing from point -4 and intersect the x-axis and passing from this -4. Okay, so draw a line from -4 on x-axis, and you can be see that this line x equal to -4 and y-axis are parallel to each other. Now measure the distance. 1, 2, 3, 4. The distance is 4 unit. So we can be write the answer. Distance is 4 unit. Okay. So these are the answer. Here you not required to draw a graph. Okay. Now we see question number 6. What is equation given below have graph parallel to x-axis and parallel to y-axis? See, there are 4 equations. The first is x equal to 3. It is in a simple form and already general form. Okay, so equation x equal to 3. The next is y minus 2. Convert it, therefore transfer -2 here. We get y equal to 2. The next is x plus 6 is equal to 0. Again transfer 6. Therefore we get x equal to -6. And fourth equation is y equal to -5. It is already in general form. Now which equation parallel to x-axis? X-axis. Okay. See, y equal to 2, y equal to -5. These are parallel to x-axis. In the previous example, as we see this equation, x equal to -4, x equal to -4, it is parallel to y-axis. Therefore, with the help of this graph, we can be say that equation parallel to x-axis equal to y equal to 2 and y equal to -5. Equation parallel to y-axis is equal to x equal to 3, x equal to -6. Here again, there is not required to draw a graph. So these are the very simple examples. Now we see question number 8. Draw the graph of following equation. Draw the graph of following equation. And equation is x plus 4 equal to 0, y minus 1 equal to 0, 2x plus 3 equal to 0, 3y minus 15 equal to 0. First we see first example. First equation, x plus 4 equal to 0. Transfer this 4. Therefore we get x equal to -4. Next, y minus 1 equal to 0. Transfer this, y equal to 1. Next, 2x plus 3 equal to 0. Transfer this 3, 2x equal to -3. Therefore x equal to -3 upon 2. Therefore x equal to -1 upon 5. Okay, right. -1 upon 5. The next is 3y minus 15 equal to 0. Transfer 3y equal to 15. Therefore y equal to 15 upon 3. Therefore y equal to 5. So we want to draw this graph right now. X equal to -4, y equal to 1, x equal to -1 upon -1.5 and y equal to 5. So see the graph. Okay. Now we draw the graph. First x equal to -4. Where how we can be draw this? See, these are the y-axis, these are the x-axis. So x equal to -4, these are the line. X equal to -4 parallel to y-axis. The next is y equal to 1. So how we can be draw y equal to 1? See, it intersect the y-axis. These are the y equal to 1. Okay, intersect y-axis. The next is x equal to minus 1.5. Where is minus 1.5? See, on the x-axis, these are the minus 1, these are the minus 2. In between minus 1 and minus 2, okay, we draw a line that is minus 1.5, okay, and parallel to y-axis, x equal to minus 1.5 in such a way, and the last is y equal to minus 5. So draw line y equal to minus 5 which are parallel to x-axis. So by this way we can draw 4 lines on the coordinate system. After then you want to write the point of intersection. Just I give point A, point B, point C, point D. So what is the point of intersection of point A? See here, x-axis minus 1.5 and y-axis 1. Okay, so write here A minus 1.5 comma 1. Point B minus 4 x-axis minus 4 y-axis 1. So write here B minus 4 1. C minus 1.5 comma y-axis 5. C minus 1.5 comma 5, and D last minus 4. C minus 4 comma y-axis 5, minus 4 comma 5. So these are the point of intersection. So these are the long question. These are 4 or 5 marks question. Write here properly and draw the graph. Now we see problem set 7, the question number 5. Okay, we want to take this first example, but we see here last. Okay, in the graph alongside line LM are parallel to y-axis. So there are given again 3 questions. What is the distance of line LM from y-axis? Here, this is the graph. Okay, and these are the LM, line LM. It is parallel to y-axis. So therefore the first question is, what is the distance of line LM from y-axis? Now you can measure the distance 1, 2, 3. These are the 3 unit, okay, or 3 centimeter. So write here answer 3 unit or 3 centimeter. Okay. The next question is, write a coordinate of point P, Q, R. See point P. These are the point P. See, x-axis is 3, y-axis is 2. Right here P 3 comma 2. After then point Q. X-axis is 3, y-axis is minus 1. Right here 3 comma minus 1. R. X-axis is 3, y-axis is 0. So write the coordinate R 3 comma 0. Okay. The third question, what is the difference between x coordinate of point L and M? See the x coordinate of point L. This x coordinate of point L. We can write directly coordinate of point L. The coordinate of point L is 3 comma 3. Okay. X-axis 3, y-axis 3. Now coordinate of point M again 3 comma minus 3. Right here x-axis 3, y-axis minus 3. But x coordinate of both point L and M 3 and 3. Therefore difference is 3 minus 3. Difference, we want to difference means subtraction. 3 minus 3 equal to 0. Okay. So these are the answers. Write this question, draw the graph, write 3 questions and write the answers of this 3 sub question. Okay.